The Riveridge organization consists of 3 different levels. We are an integrated packer, shipper, and grower. My name is Jamie Kober, and I'm the Director of Food Safety and Quality Control at Riveridge. We grow about 800 acres of fruit and process roughly 34 million pounds of apples annually. Here at Riveridge, our main focus is the packaging portion. We are taking fresh apples from growers, most of them locally grown in about a 20-mile radius, and we are packaging those for our customers. The equipment that we have is state-of-the-art right now and can be easily updated to meet the future needs and demands of our customers. The process when apples arrive here is that we receive them from the growers in bins. They will then go into storage rooms, CA rooms, until we are ready to pack them. The purpose of the CA room is to seal the apples up airtight. Then we pump nitrogen into the room. What we want to do is reduce the amount of oxygen that is in the room, and by doing that, we slow the respiration of the apple, which slows the ripening process. It basically puts the apple to sleep. We can hold apples for up to a year, maybe more. Just depends on the condition that they went in at harvest. When we are ready to pack the apples, it starts with an operator in the control room. From there, we can run anything that's in the building. We put the apples into water. One primary goal, other than getting the pack right, is for handling of the fruit. And for us here, that's bruising. We use water flumes, conveyor systems, and anything else we can do to minimize bruising. We float them in water. We do visual inspections by hand. We use cameras to do the internal sorting and external sorting. We use sizing equipment to get the weights, diameters, shapes, sizes, anything else you can measure on the apple. Then we sort those into the packages. Once we've identified fruit for retail, we wash it, wax it, dry it, sort it again, and then it finally goes into a bag, tray, or whatever carton the customer is looking for in the end. We have an extensive quality program here. It happens in 3 phases. The first is on receipt from the grower. Our quality inspectors will look at the bins of fruit, characterizing what's in the bin. When we finally pack the fruit, it's looked at twice more. What we're culling off the line, so what are the defects that are in the bin, and making sure that they aren't in the final pack. Also, we look at the final pack, and in that part of it, we are looking at fruit quality, paying really close attention to packaging, making sure we have the right bags, the right labels, anything else the customer has requested. We're making sure everything is right in the final pack. The employees here at Riveridge Packing are proud of the products they produce, and we want to make sure to have the best product on the shelf.